Jane from Ride the Wind, very excited. This is our new brand Matrix, and this is their 3-wheel mobility scooter called the Wave. You can't get a better price. It's $19.99. It's a 60 volt, 20 amp hour lead acid. It's got 10x3 tubeless tires, alarm system, reverse, 3-speed. It's amazing. It's honestly amazing. And even look at this color. I love it. So this is very much like the Tau Freedom Plus that we used to have, and those ones were $3,300. So this is pretty awesome. So some functions on it. Top speed's going to be about 25 kilometers an hour. It does not have a motor brake, so it's always going to be in neutral. Okay, and so if you want to put the brake on, you hold this in, and then there's a little lever underneath it that you can push in, and now it's in park. Because otherwise, like I said, it's like a scooter just with 3 wheels, because you have to brake it, use the brake. So the seat is stationary, but the back comes up. Oh, let me sit on it and do it. So there's a little lever here that brings the back up. See how it goes back and then brings it forward all the way up. I'm 5'3", so if you're looking to buy this for us to ship directly, we can do that. So let me just bring this up. You've got 2 storage. You've got storage lockable here, and it's all the same key. There you are there. So you've got some nice padding. And then you also have storage underneath here. So this lifts up, and this is where your breaker is. And then you've got some lockable storage in there as well. So that's kind of nice. Anti-roll bars, 1,000-watt motor. You put the key in, turn it to the right, it comes on. It's got your voltage, which is really nice. This is a 60 volt, so when it's completely charged, it's going to be about 70 volts. But you've got your battery indicator there. Horn, full lights, high beam, low beam. I think they're honking at me. And reverse. And your 3-speed. So let's go for a ride. Nice slow takeoff, which you want, right? This is a mobility scooter. It's for safety. So the gears only limit the top speed of which you get. Just to let you know. I'm riding the wind. Good braking. Disc brakes, rear drum, and they come in lots of colors: red, blue, black. I really like this brown. And yeah, call us. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. But we're really happy about this one. This is a spectacular value.